Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a twist out using the TGIN Twist and Define Cream. They have this Curl Bomb Moisturizing Styling Gel. I got the products at Target. I'm thinking about pairing the two. I'm a little nervous because I saw a few people say it flaked, and I did the hand test where I rubbed the cream and the gel together and they didn't ball up and clump or curdle or whatever, which would indicate that it's gonna flake, but it didn't do that. So I don't know. I love this shampoo. This is my third or fourth time using it, and it doesn't look like it's super thick, but it lathers up so rich. I detangled my hair while I was shampooing. The Honey Miracle Mask deep conditioner and Bay as well. It's almost gone. I probably can't get another use out of it, so I've used it like probably 3 times. Right now I have in my hair the Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner. This makes my hair very soft, very easy to detangle. So I'm just going to take a section starting from the bottom back here. Again, I don't want them super small because my twist outs just end up looking like wash and goes. Sections. And I want to make sure it's nice and wet. It's like that. It's thick, but I need moisture. So if you see me going back and dipping, I'm not getting a whole lot at a time, but what I'm doing is making sure I get it applied to my roots all the way down to the ends. I'm just trying to get a feel for how it goes into my hair. Ooh. Ooh. This is how much gel I got. I'm thinking it might be too much. We'll see. Okay, so I'm going to take that section and make it 2 sections and twist. Add a little bit more of this Twist and Define cream to my ends and coilants. And my hair is clean, by the way. If I didn't say it, if you're new to my channel, thank you. Go ahead and click subscribe for your girl. Be my friend. Watch my videos. Like, comment, talk to me. Okay, so this is the finished, well, the finished twisted product. So I will show you guys the results when it dries and I take them down. Okay, so my hair is now completely dry. The twists are completely dry. They're still looking shiny and still in good shape after sleeping on them. And so I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in my hands. Take these down. I stretched them with the banding method because when they were completely dry, they were shrunken. So yeah, I mean, that's kind of like a good sign. Good old coily, springy definition. Okay, I'm gonna take these down, starting from the bite. And I was worried about flaking. So far, so good, no flakes. Got some more oil. I'm gonna separate. And hopefully I still have the same great definition once I start separating. Separate it. Okay, so here it is, picked, fluffed, separated. Oh my God. I'm gonna do my edges using Michelle & Hair Edge Smoother. It's perfect for natural and relaxed hair. And y'all, this is my absolute favorite edge control right now. I am going to put the link somewhere, probably in the description. So if you want to get this edge control is the truth. I don't get that tacky, white, gunky residue on my edges when I use this, and it's still like moisturizing and holds the edges down. So Michelle & Hair for your edge smoother. I'm gonna put the link down in the description. And I need to get some more. As you can see, it's about gone. Okay, so this is my hair picked out, everything stretched, separated, all that good stuff. I did go in and add a little bit more of the gel to the tips of some spots because I think I may have overstretched it when I banded it, and it made the ends like almost straight. So I did need to do that. So I think I've learned my lesson with banding down too low. But I'm actually pretty pleased with the results of this. Like, it looks pretty good. So my thoughts on the TGIN Twist and Define Cream. I think I could have used it by itself and still got, you know, still would have been able to get some bomb results. My hair is soft, super soft. And it's like, I have volume, and usually when I do twist outs, I don't have as much volume on the first day. So I like it. I'm gonna try this and the gel with a wash and go. So if y'all wanna see that video, let me know. Overall, I didn't experience any flaking, which I saw some people say their hair flaked. Mine didn't flake. I'm happy about it. I only used a little bit, and I like it. And also, I got this dope t-shirt from freshscentsforever.com. I will also put the link down in the description if you want to purchase it. Can y'all tell what this says? So this is LA, STL, Atlanta, NYC, MIA, freshscentsforever.com. They've got some dope t-shirts. The shipping is super fast. I ordered it on like a Thursday, a Wednesday or Thursday. Shirt was in the mail, in my mailbox on Saturday. Don't forget to like my video, comment, subscribe if you aren't subscribed. Bye.